Alright, so welcome to a new test of a new year. This is the first test video of this year, 2019! Yay! Okay, never mind. So, as always, we are going to start with test A. Okay, so this is test A, and this time we're going to look at time. Okay, time. You don't know what time is. Let me show you what time is. There, look. That's time. Time. Okay, time. But because this is test A, sorry. Because this is test A, and maybe time is a little bit difficult for you guys still, okay? We're gonna start with just an easy time, okay? So, we're gonna go for morning. Morning. Okay, morning. Good morning. You can say good morning. All right, morning. Morning is when you wake up. Okay, wash your face and eat. Okay, morning. Okay. All right, next one we're gonna go this side again. Morning. Afternoon. Okay, afternoon. Afternoon. Afternoon is when you can go play outside or run outside after lunch, okay? Afternoon, okay? All right. And then the next one is evening. Evening. Evening is when the sky starts to go a little bit pink or orange, okay? And you have to come back to your house after you play, okay? Evening. All right. And the last one, the sky gets black, the moon comes out, the stars come out. Night. 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 Okay? Alright, so we have morning, afternoon, evening, night. Okay? And we're going to try and just learn a few little words that go together with them, okay? So, in English we say in the morning. Okay? In the morning. In the morning. Okay? We also say in the afternoon. In the afternoon. Okay? We say in the evening. In the evening. But night. Night is a special word. We don't say in the night. No. We say at night. At night. At night. Okay? So this month's test is very, very easy. That's it. Okay? In the morning. In the afternoon, in the evening, at night. That's it for test A, okay? Alright, so welcome to test B this time, okay? So in test A, we just had a look at morning, in the morning, afternoon, in the afternoon, evening, in the evening, and night, at night, okay? But for test A, we're gonna actually look at real times, okay? Real times, okay? So first of all, to be able to tell the time in English, you're gonna have to be able to count from 1 to 12, okay? So can you do that for me first? Okay, so we're gonna count together, okay? So let's go, are you ready? I'm holding a clock. Wait 1 minute. That's better. Okay, so are you ready? Please count with me. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, very good. Just one thing, okay, we're gonna quickly cover this with numbers, okay? In English, when we do 1, 2, okay, 3, please make sure, look, 3. Put your tongue out. 3, okay? So 1, 2, 3, okay? And then 2 more numbers. 4. Make sure you bite down on your bottom lip and 4, okay? 4 and 5, okay? 5, okay? So 1, 2, 3. That's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 11 and 12 as well, okay? 11, 11, 11, 11, okay, and 12, 12, okay? So, we have a for 3, okay? We have a for 4 and 5, okay? And then we have a for 11 and 12, okay? So please try and think of those while you're doing that, okay? So one more time, okay? We're gonna count from 1 to 12. This time, I am gonna shut up and not say anything. All right, so are you ready? Okay, very good. Sorry, I forgot to mention 7 as well. Okay, 7, okay? Sorry. So, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11, 12, 7, 11. 7, 11. 7 and I holdings. That's a, oh yeah, okay. Alright, never mind. Alright, so one last time for me, ready? Okay, so if you've managed to count between 1 and 12, you can count any of the times, okay? In English, I'll show you what we do, just 1 minute. So, this is the time now, okay? But we are not going to do these kind of times, okay? We're going to do exact times, okay? So, I'm going to have to actually change my clock here for a minute. Alright, so we're going to start with this one. What's that there? What do you think that is? Okay, that, in English, we say 1 o'clock. When this hand is straight up, okay, 1, 0, 0. I'll put it down here maybe somewhere, okay? 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, 1, 0, 0. In English we say 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Okay? So, what do you think we say for this one? Yes, that is right. We say 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Okay. So, what do we say for this one? Very good. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay. What do we say for this one? 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Very good. What do we say for this one? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. For this one we say 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. And then this one is 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. And the last one, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Okay? So, that's it. 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Okay, so I'm going to give you a test, okay? I'm just going to give you like a random number or a random time, okay? And then you just have to say it in the test, okay? So for this one you would say, yeah, very good, okay? And then for, I don't know, this one you would say, yes, 8 o'clock, okay? And then this one you would say 11 o'clock, very good, that's it, okay? That's all you have to do. You just have to say the numbers and say the times, okay? Alright, everything is 0-0 for this one, test B, okay? Alright, so if you've got this far, you're on to test C now, okay? We've been doing times, test A, we finished, test B, we finished, okay. Test C, we're going to do the time again, okay? But this time, we're not just going to do everything o'clock, okay? We're going to do things like this, okay? Alright, and how can I explain this? So, people who are doing test C, first of all, you have to be able to read a clock in Japanese, or you have to be able to read a clock, okay? So if you can't read a clock, we're not going to do test C, we're going to do test B. So hopefully all of you can now read a clock, okay? And you probably know, but a clock is divided into 60 parts, okay? 60 minutes, okay? 60 seconds, 60 minutes. It's divided into 60. So this time, you have to be able to count all the way up to 60, okay? So, just very quickly, we're going to cover from 1 to 60, okay? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, we did 3 before, remember, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, now we do 13, okay? And very important, 13, 13, okay? 14, 15, okay, there's a 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay, hopefully you're around 20, and then we go 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, okay, and this time we do 30, 30, okay, and I don't know if you can hear, but before when we did 13, there was a at the end, okay, 13, 13, look at my mouth, it goes 13, okay, 13, but this time, when we do 30, okay, we do 30, okay, I stay smiling, there's no at the end, no at the end, okay, 30, I stop, 30, 13, 13, 30, 30, okay, and also there's a difference in where you make it strong, okay, so listen once more, ready, I say 13, 13, okay, but this one is 30, 30, okay, and the same, we say 40, 40, and 50, 50, okay, there's no 60 actually, because 60 goes back to o'clock again, so never mind, okay, so, very quickly, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 59. Okay, and then 60 goes back to o'clock again. Okay? So, I don't know if you can read clocks, okay, but I'm going to show the clock and I'm also going to put the time, maybe a digital time here or somewhere around here. Okay? So, let's try this one first. Okay? Okay, so to say this time in English, you just say 1:10. 1:10, that's it. 1:10, okay? There's no o'clock, okay? O'clock is only for 00. O'clock is only for 00 at the top, okay? No o'clock. So 1:10, 1:10. So this one is, yes? 1:15, 1:15. Okay, very good. And this one is 1:20. 1:20, okay, and this one is 1:25, 1:25, okay, and this one is, yes, 1:30, 1:30, okay, 1:35, 1:40, 1:45, 1:50, 1:55, and then it gets to 2 o'clock, okay, and then it repeats again, okay, 2:10, 2:15, okay, and you can also have in between times. Look, if you go here, okay, this, if you look very, very closely, this is 2 to 17, okay, 2:17, 2:17, okay, and you can do any of the numbers like that, okay. So we're going to practice in class. I don't think you have to practice too much here, but just remember 2 and then 17, okay. But just one important thing, do you see all these numbers here? Okay, so if I go back to 1, it's easier if we go back to 1, okay? This one, okay, this time here, can you see? Okay, and then if I put the time up here on the digital, okay, this time here, in English, we don't say 1, 1. You can't say 1, 1, okay? You see it says 1, and then there's this one, yes, and then this one. You have to say 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, okay? And then 1, 0, 2, very good. 1, 0, 3, very good. 1, 0, 4, very good. 1, 0, 5, okay. 1, 0, 6, okay, nice. 1, 0, 7, alright, very good. 1, 0, 8, okay, nice one. 1, 0, 9, okay, and then 1, 10. There's no O's anymore, okay? So just be careful, okay, that O is in there, okay? Alright, so I give you a little bit of practice, okay? I'm just going to choose a random time. Tell me when to stop. Say stop. No, say stop. Say stop. No, stop. Whoa. Okay. Go. Try and say that time. Do you know what that time is? Oh, hang on. That's the other part of test C. We're also going to ask the question in test C, okay? So, in English, there are 2 ways of asking for the time. Actually, there are many ways, but there are 2 main ways, okay? In Japan, the one that most people use is, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Okay? What time is it? Okay? But you can also say, what's the time? What's the time? Okay? It doesn't really matter, okay? You can use either one, but I think in Japan, junior high school and things like that, they usually do, what time is it? I think. What time is it? Okay? So, what time is it, or what's the time? So, what time is it? Or what's the time? Please tell me, ready? It's, yes, okay. It's, okay, don't forget it's, okay? It's, yeah, very good. It's 2:58. It's 2:58. Okay, let's do one more. What time is it? What time is it? Let's make a big number, big number. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, what time is it? Or what's the time? Okay, what time is it? Or what's the time? It's 10:47. Very good. It's 10:47. Okay, let's just try one more. Okay, we'll do one more. What time is it again? What time is it? 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 What's the time? What's the time? Okay, so please remember there's a little rule about this. What time is it? What's the time? What time is it? Or what's the time? It's, yes, very good, 4:03. Okay, it's 4:03. Okay, don't forget that O, okay? Alright, so what time is it? Or what's the time? And all of the times, okay? This time we're doing everything. So you have to do o'clock as well, but you also have to do 05 or 06 or 10 or 30 or 10:40, 10:45, okay? All of the times on the clock, okay? That is test C. Very good job. Well done. Alright, so thank you for getting this far, as ever, okay? If you are on to test D now, that means that we went through morning, afternoon, evening, night, okay? In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, okay? We also did times. We did 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, all the o'clocks, okay? We also did the question, what time is it, okay, in test C, or what's the time, okay? And we did all of the times in test C. So it's 1:01, it's 1:02, it's 1:10, it's 1:15, it's 1:30. Okay? Alright, so now you guys, you're on to test D, okay? And in test D, okay. In English, this one, okay? This one here at the 3, okay? And this one at the 6, okay? And this one especially at the 9, okay? These kind of have a special, these are special times, okay? These are kind of very exact times when you split it into a quarter, okay? So this, in English, when it's down here, some people say half. Half. Do you know what half is? Half is this, okay? Half. No, hang on. Half. Yeah, half. half, okay? And this one, this one here is a half, okay? This one here is half, okay? And then this one, and I think in Japanese you have half, okay? You say kuji han or yoji han, okay? You have half in Japanese, okay? But in English we have one more, okay? That sometimes people use. We have this one here, okay? And this is a half. This is a half. What's this? What's this? Okay? This is what we call I think that's right. Quarter. A quarter, okay? I don't know, have you ever been to McDonald's and they have a hamburger called a quarter pounder, okay, quarter pounder. That quarter pounder, quarter is this, okay? It means a quarter of a pound, which is about 112 grams. Oh, never mind, doesn't matter. Okay, sorry. So, quarter, okay? So this is quarter, half, and this one is o'clock, okay? So, in English, we're going to do this in lessons anyway, but anyway, in English we say half past 4. Past. Past means after. Actually, in American English, they say after, okay? So you can actually say after or past, it's okay, okay? So, half past 4. It's not 4, it's past 4, it's after 4. So, half past 4. Half past 4, okay? Half past 4, okay? So, what would you say for this time? What time is it? What's the time? It's, don't forget the it's, okay? It's half past 6. Very good. It's half past 6, okay? It's half past 6. Alright then, let's try one more. Try and make this a bit more difficult for you. Okay. So, can you tell me what time is it? Or what's the time? What time is it? What's the time? It's, don't forget the it's half past, okay? It's half past 12, okay? It's half past 12, okay? Okay, so anything in this side, anything in this part, okay, anything in this part, in English we can say past or after, okay? You can actually say this, it's 10 after 12, okay? Or in English, British English, we say it's 10 past 12, okay? It's 10 past 12, or it's 10 after 12, okay? You can also say this one, okay? It's 20 after 12, or it's 20 past 12, okay? Alright, and just now, before, do you remember? I said this was a special one. This is quarter. So, you can say it's a quarter past 12, okay? It's a quarter past 12, okay? It's a quarter past 12. Okay, so anything in this part, this half is past or after, okay? But what happens when you put it in this side? So again, do you remember I said this is half, this is o'clock, this is a quarter, and this was a quarter as well. But this is not a quarter past one, because it's quarter, it's a lot, okay? When it's in this part, we don't say past, we say two, okay? So, it's a bit difficult, we're going to do this in lessons anyway, but it's a quarter, two. That was a bad example, sorry. Let's do that one, because otherwise they just say 2 a lot. Okay, sorry, once more. Okay, so it's a quarter to 3. It's a quarter to 3, okay? 2 means made, okay? It's a quarter to 3, okay? Before we did past, it passed, okay? This time we're doing 2. So, anything in this half here, we say 2, okay? So, you can say it's 10 to 3. Or you can say it's 20 to 3. Or you can say it's 25 to 3. Or you can say it's 5 to 3. Okay? Alright. So anything in this half is to. Anything in this half is past or after. Okay? And again, we're going to tell the time. It's, okay? And that's going to be your test. Because you guys are doing test D, we're going to do something extra for you guys, okay? We're going to do the time that you do something, okay? That you do something. And this is now, actually it's not the time now. What is the time? Wait. This is the time now, okay? Can you see? Oh, hello, focus. There we go. It's 9:46, I think, okay? It's 9:46. It's 9:46. That's the time now, okay? It's 9:46. But I want to know the time that you do something, okay? So for example, I wake up at 6 o'clock, okay? I wake up at 6 o'clock. I eat lunch at 12 o'clock, okay? I eat dinner at about 6 o'clock, okay? The time that you do something, okay? And this time we don't say it's, okay? We say no, at, and then the time. At, and then the time, okay? So it's a little bit different. We don't say it's a time. We say I do something at a time. Okay, so the question we're going to do is what time do you do something? Okay, what time do you do something? Okay, and then the answer is I do something at a time. Okay, but this one we're going to practice in class, okay? So I'm not going to go over this too much in the video, okay? Because otherwise the video is going to get really long. Okay, so anyway, that was this month's test D, okay? So we've done times, we did morning, afternoon, evening, night, okay? We did times, we did half past, we did quarter past, and then we did half past, quarter past, we did quarter to, 5 to, okay? We did 1:01, okay? And all of these was it's, okay? Because it's the time now, it's, okay? The time has hopefully changed. Yes, it has. Now it is, it's 9:48, okay? It's 9:48. But because you guys are doing test D, we're going to do something else. We're going to do the time that you do something, okay? And in that case, you say I do something at a time. I do something at a time. Okay, at. Alright. Okay then, we will be covering this in class, so don't worry. Until then, until the next class, until the test, see you next time. Thank you for staying with me for so long on this test video. Alright. See you. Good job.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, okay.
Rock,
way too close.
paper. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Did you win? Did you lost? If you lost, you said, I lost. If you win, I win. You need to say it, okay? Bye! Next, me. Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3. See you next time.